Well, here we are again, 2.5 weeks from the 2026 Barron County Fair Demo Derby. My plan since last year has been around a V8 Trailblazer. This one that I raced last year. Since it's already stripped and such. Still needs a tranny. Means I gotta pull it out of that one. It's $3,000 to win again though, vans and SUVs, so $1,200 to win MWFA. I also have 2 Durangos. I'd like to run that one in MWFA too, but I don't know. I think this is gonna happen. I also got a man van over there, but I don't know. I'm about wanting V8s and full frames again. I'm sick of motors falling out, so I don't know. I gotta figure this out and get going. So I ended up just building a MWFA Durango for the 2026 Barron County Fair. Pretty much ready to go here. Gonna slap some paint on her. She's Derby Day. She's real hot out. Got the old 360 in her. I took out the rear drive shaft and running her front wheel drive. See how that goes. And some pretty decent trailer tires there on them aluminum wheels, because I don't think there's any such thing as a 15-inch steely for these. Them are 16s. I put some smaller tires on her. But yeah, just your simple basic MWFA build here. We'll see how she goes. Really wanted to get the Trailblazer done, but completely ran out of time and ambition this year. So we'll see what happens after tonight. I think she's looking pretty sexy and ready to go.
That's what's called smoking.
A little Durango experiment didn't go too bad. Brought her home third. Quick moving show. It's only about 5 minutes. Ass end was nice and hard. Got some buckling there. A little bent up there. At least the body mount didn't rip out. I was a little concerned that I was going to be laying on the track, but it's better. Not that too terribly rusty. I mean, it's rusty, but then CV axle broke. Not real sure why, because, well, this happened before this tie rod was even bent. I believe that happened on the last hit there when I already knew I couldn't move, but I wanted to make sure I was in third place. So then she lit up on fire. Assuming some fuel came out and the exhaust ended right there, which I forgot about. She lit up very, very quick and a lot. But I just noticed now that this leaf spring's freaking broke, so I was almost thinking about maybe putting a bumper on her and stuff and putting the rear drive shaft back in and sending her in the regular van and SUV class in Bloomer, but yeah, we're definitely gonna have to run her in front wheel again. That'll be an issue. But other than that, I think it just needs a tie rod and a CV axle, which is brand new because I broke the original one running her out on the old piss pot. few weeks ago. So yeah, all right, we had a good time, and let you know here soon what we're doing for Bloomer. Yeah, pretty nasty fire extinguisher crap in here. I think the main fire is about right there. All I remember is it getting real hot. Looked over, fire was everywhere. Unhooked the seatbelt and got the hell out of here. But yeah, I know it was running, so I assume it should still run. Kind of runs like shit, I think. I don't know. It didn't seem to be running that great in the Derby. So, I don't know. I guess it ain't that bad. We'll see. Also, in that last hit, this tire got cut. Literally within a couple minutes after the Derby was done, we had an absolute downpour, big old storm that you could see brewing for a long time. And yep, so everything got left in there, and all the fire extinguisher stuff got all over with all the rain. So, oh well. Well, the old radiator survived, but this didn't. I'm not sure when that even happened, but stupid plastic junk and a metal one in there. Yeah, I don't see no reason why she can't live to run another one. Pretzeled the old inner tire rod there, but oh, now I just noticed there's a mount there for the there's a mount there for the front differential, and attached to the bell housing right there. Well, the back of the block, I believe, the bell housing part there on the motor, and she broke out of there. So I'm assuming, I knew that looked like it was low, and I'm assuming that's what freaking broke the CV axle. It's almost like van shit all over again. That's what I was trying to get away from. Alright, got a new ball joint in, inner tie rod, CV axle, got the front diff chained up. Just one more tire to go and we should be ready to rock for Friday in Bloomer. Bloomer was going real good. Then she decided to completely twist and drop out there again and take the stupid U-joint. So, I don't know. She still got lots of life. I ain't got another drive shaft for that for Sunday. I got the rear one yet, but the rear end's all sorts of twisted in there now, so that's just gonna result in a broken U-joint real quick. This spring's still attached, but it's bent. That one over there is completely broke, so I don't know. I really would like to run her again Sunday, but see what we can figure out here today. So after further review, that front diff was just hanging there by the chains. So I did end up throwing in the rear drive shaft, putting on some skeety tires and welding on a front bumper quick, and sent her in Ladysmith yesterday. And it turned out to be okay. I barely came home with a third place, luckily. Won some money back. Got the left rear axle busted right off. upper A-arm and tie rods broke there, but ended up just welding the leaf spring right there. Nope, she started coming apart a little bit. But she held up long enough to win another $300, thankfully. $150 just in entry fees alone this weekend. I think the radiator did finally get taken out here on her third run. Throttle stuck, and I see why. Stupid cruise cable. I don't know though. I'm kind of getting sick of fixing this thing, so I might just sell it or scrap it. I don't know. These things are tough though, that's for sure. And it still barely even looks used up, so I don't know what to do, but gotta get ready for Hayward this weekend, and then I want to build a half tonner for Ridgeland, so I don't know. Well, I made up my mind. I'm scrapping her. I got a parts bill I gotta pay the boss for this thing. But 2 third place finishes in 2 different classes. I'll take it. Expecting a little more out of her, but I've had my fun with her. Sticking with my Chevrolet life. I know I've been slacking on videos this year, but please like, comment, subscribe, share. I'd appreciate it. I was really hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers this summer. That'd be fantastic. Thanks for watching.